In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the Grammarly icon from your desktop's system tray in just a few quick steps. If you've ever found the constant presence of this icon a bit distracting, or you're simply looking to declutter your workspace, then this guide is for you. We'll break it down into a straightforward process, taking only about 5 minutes of your time. First, let's start by locating the Grammarly icon in your system tray. Now, if you're not entirely sure where that is, don't worry. The system tray is found at the bottom right corner of your screen. It's that section on your desktop where various apps sit quietly, out of sight but within reach. This area typically houses icons for Wi-Fi, battery, and other background applications. Look closely and you'll see the green Grammarly icon here as well. Once you've spotted the Grammarly icon, the next step is to right-click on it. A simple right-click will bring up a context menu with different options available to you. Now, depending on the version of Grammarly you're using, you might see a few variations in the menu options. Don't let this throw you off. In this menu, you'll be looking for the option to hide, quit, or exit. What these options do is effectively remove the icon from your system tray, thereby giving you that cleaner look on your desktop. If it says hide, this will keep the application running in the background but remove the visible icon from the tray. Choosing quit or exit will entirely close the Grammarly application until you restart it. Remember, selecting these options won't uninstall the app, but merely prevents the icon from appearing in your system tray. A quick word of advice. If you're choosing to completely quit the application, be sure to save any work you might be doing that relies on Grammarly, since quitting the app could momentarily disrupt its functionality in those programs until it's restarted. And that's it. With just a couple of clicks, you've successfully cleaned up your system tray by removing the Grammarly icon. This seemingly small change can go a long way in reducing distractions and helping you maintain a tidy workspace on your computer. Whether you're doing it for aesthetic reasons or simply trying to get a better handle on managing which icons you see daily, you've now got this nifty little trick up your sleeve. Thank you for joining me in this short tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more content just like this. Have a great day and happy computing.